Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best air purifiers that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Coway Airmega AP1512HH Mighty Air Purifier. It was the fastest at removing air pollutants like dust, pollen, pet dander, and volatile organic compounds, VOCs. It's an excellent choice for allergy sufferers, as it has a multi-filtration system, a washable pre-filter, a true HEPA filter to capture airborne particles like viruses, bacteria, and pollen, and an activated carbon filter that reduces cooking, smoke, and pet odors. It also features an ionizer. However, we don't recommend using the ionization function. See why in the FAQ. Fortunately, you can manually turn it off. This version is not Wi-Fi equipped, and it doesn't have a remote control either. However, it's easy to set up and use. Even more important for the day-to-day, it runs quietly. I appreciated its eco-friendly design and eco mode option. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Lasko LP300 HEPA Tower Air Purifier. The Lasko LP300 HEPA Tower Air Purifier is the most affordable air purifier we recommend. It has the lowest filter replacement cost and, at under 10 pounds, is easy to move from room to room. It performed just as well as models that cost 3 or 4 times as much. The Lasko air purifier quickly removed airborne dust and debris. With 30 minutes to spare in the testing period, our air quality monitor registered no particulate matter. Though its performance wasn't as impressive with VOCs, it did a good job keeping the levels in a safe range. At number 3, we have the Levoit 300S Air Purifier. The Levoit 300S Air Purifier is an excellent option for bedrooms and other small rooms, thanks to its quiet operation and compact design. It has a 3-layer filtration system. The pre-filter captures larger debris, including hair and pet dander. The true HEPA filter collects smaller airborne particles, and the carbon filter helps reduce VOCs and odors in the air while operating at an ambient level of noise. The purifier also did well with particulate matter, removing virtually all, 99.2% of it from the air during the testing period. At number 2, we have the Shark NeverChange Air Purifier Max. Most filters need to be replaced quarterly, but the Shark NeverChange Air Purifier Max can last up to 5 years before you need to replace the filter, and when you do, that filter costs $80. This is significant because some filters cost that much just to run annually. The size of the room, up to 400 square feet, and the amount of time you run the unit will ultimately determine how much life you get out of the filter. But according to Shark, the 5-year number is based on running the air purifier in a 300 square foot room at the highest speed for 12 hours a day. From a performance perspective, the Shark took less than 15 minutes to reduce the amount of particles from incense smoke in a 200 square foot room by 90%. It's also one of the quietest models, just behind the Blue Air, an unobtrusive 46 decibels when running on high and ambient at other levels. And finally, at number 1, we have the Oransi TrueCarbon 200C Air Purifier. The Oransi TrueCarbon 200C Air Purifier is our top choice for removing odors like cigarette smoke, paint fumes, and diaper pail smells. It's compact, light, and easy to move. It can reside on the floor or tabletop. It's ready to go out of the box and includes a remote to manually adjust the fan speed. It's no frills, with no air quality sensor, app, or Wi-Fi connection feature to navigate. In addition to doing a nice job of clearing out VOCs and particle matter in our incense tests, this air purifier, which uses a 3.2-pound carbon filter, which the company claims is thicker and more efficient than competitors, eliminated every hint of odor from the small patio where my cat's litter boxes are stationed. While this model did a good job of clearing VOCs during our tests, carbon filtration is not engineered to filter pollen, dust, or other particulate matter. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.